Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, we will talk about how to reset Windows 10 to factory settings. And what's cool is that you can choose to delete all your data, or you can choose to keep all your data. It's up to you which one to choose. And also, before we go to the tutorial, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe and get the latest content from this channel. And let's go to the tutorial. The first thing to do is click the start button, then select settings, then select update and security. The next step is to select recovery. In the recovery menu, it says reset this PC. Continue by clicking get started. At this stage, we can choose to keep all our files or delete all the files. Choose according to your needs. Select local reinstall. This option will help you speed up the installation process. Click reset to start the reset process. The reset process is running. Wait for it to finish. Choose your region. Choose the keyboard layout. Read and accept license agreement. For this video, I will set up this Windows for personal use. And that is how to reset your Windows 10 back to factory settings. Did it work? Let me know in the comment box below. I hope this video is useful, and I'll see you in the next video.